Right. Well, like with automatism, disease of the mind is a legal rather than a medical concept, and even at that, it's pretty difficult to define. In Cooper, the 1980 case that is sort of the source of the definition that continues to this day, Chief Justice Dixon cited a paper that described it as an abstract working concept that's kind of like sin. In other words, there isn't really a lot of content to the concept beyond what the judicial system has poured into it. And in Cooper, the definition that they arrive at is any illness, disorder, or abnormal condition which impairs the human mind and its functioning, excluding, however, self-induced states caused by alcohol or drugs, as well as transitory states such as hysteria or concussion. Now, when considering whether something is a disease of the mind or not, the courts will consider three tools or approaches that help inform how you properly characterize a particular problem that a person has experienced. The first tool is what's known as the internal cause theory, and basically the question is, does the condition stem from the inherent psychological or emotional makeup of the defendant? If it does, then it's more likely to be a disease of the mind. Secondly, you have the continuing danger theory, which basically asks, is the condition likely to pose a recurring danger to the public? Are the underlying factors that produce the automatistic state likely to be reproduced in the future with this person? If the answer is yes, then that also would be more likely to be a disease of the mind. And then finally, you have sort of a catch-all category that really looks at policy considerations. And the most important of those is this sort of general concern about whether there is a need to protect society through the use of the special procedures and the state intervention that in a person's life that are available through the NCR process. To my mind, it kind of sounds a bit like a toolbox that has a Phillips head screwdriver, a Robertson head screwdriver, and then a hammer down at the bottom to bash away at all the cases that otherwise don't really fit.